I am gonna turn this ugly looking up piece of furniture to something that just looks unbelievable. Stick to the end to see the unbelievable results. First, let's get rid of all that ugly looking all that is filled with ugly scratches and ugly old paint. Sanding took most of the time and effort, but the end results are shocking.
Two thousand years later.